Alright, I'm about to show y'all how to put this bearing on this pinion. Now, hopefully y'all can hear me over this pressure wash we got going outside, but this is fairly simple. This is the way that I know how to do it. A lot of this stuff has to be pressed on in most situations, but if you're like me and don't have a press, heat is probably your best friend. So what I do, give me a torch, and I start to heat up that inner race. And this is the same thing with the gears itself, literally. So when you heat up the inner race, it's best to do this on a metal table. You don't want to do this on wood, you'll catch on fire. So you do this on a metal table, and you heat up the inner race like so. And what you want to see is a little discoloration on the inside, on the inner race. You don't want to overdo it, but one thing you're doing here is stretching this out. When it heats, it swells, it spreads, it makes it a lot easier to deal with. So, now, if I've done this correctly, that should slide right on. Just like that. And once you let that cool, it should stick right on there. Just like that. It cools down, swelling goes down, it grabs it.